It's a friend of mine, why the police?
Toma.
Mufaiza Manzungu.
Faisal?
Manzungu.
Manzungu,
Yes.
okay. Usebenza kuphi and your duties and
Now I tested as police in 1991, 18 December.
1991 in December.
Yes, that's where I started my training on step out in Harare.
Okay.
They wanted to pass out in August, around 18, 1992. I was posted to Madlamuzi police station,
Okay.
which is about 71 km from Blantyre.
Yeah.
If you have my investigations, church office duties,
Okay.
stop that. Yes, I was a constable by then.
Okay.
Yes. And then 1994 I was transferred to Kwanda.
1994?
Yes.
Okay.
I transferred to Kwanda.
Yeah.
And then I did the same duties, my investigations in cases of theft, rape, actually all cases.
Okay.
That was my
So, and this is kind we like as police and duty branch going from.
Yes.
So when duty branch you say
Duty branch.
duty branch like obviously I'm like cut my teeth in South Africa.
Okay.
Each duty branch, yeah, in South Africa, they don't do investigation.
Okay.
But arrest them to detective. Yes.
Which is different here. ECID here, it deals with the serious crimes.
Oh, serious crime?
Yes, I'm talking of rape
Yeah.
and murder. Mostly, like if you remember very well, there's what is called homicide in Zimbabwe. In 1998, I was promoted to sergeant.
A sergeant. Still duty branch, right?
Still in Rwanda.
Yeah. Alright.
In 2000, I was in inspector.
Okay. I was in inspector 2000.
Yeah, I went to Blantyre.
Yeah.
Where I was the in charge crime. Like, not in charge crime, maybe Jamatoke Song, the prosecutor office.
Alright.
I mean, I'm the one who's supposed to guide the junior how to go about the whole scenario. Then maybe later when I send it to Blantyre court.
Okay. So in the way you officer in charge crime.
Yes, but when I was a member because I was assistant inspector.
Alright.
The officer in charge is an inspector in the power.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
But was an inspector can be acting officer in charge.
So, okay.
Yes.
Alright.
And then 2002 I was promoted to inspector.
Oh, 2002.
Yes, then I became officer in charge Blantyre.
Oh, okay, officer in charge. Oh, I see.
Blantyre, yeah.
Okay.
Like then what happens? I want to clear something to you there.
Yeah.
But what fitness you prefer someone who has been CID or peace.
Yeah.
In Blantyre when you're an officer in charge, he said the peace they're under you.
Oh, no officer in charge.
Yeah. That's what it means. If I was in charge, they report to you.
Yes. Whatever they do,
yes, you must be aware. Like a peace in a nutshell, it works to investigate police internal.
Oh, so it's
that's their solid duty. I will be peace.
South Africa University. But what when they don't investigate?
No.
They investigate only the members.
Like for example, how important you're not allowed to have to own a taxis again.
Yes.
Umpost have a taxi packet. But when you investigate a man, then say appear with board why you have a taxi. Because you need to apply if you want to do business report.
Yeah, South Africa IP, internal police investigation.
Yes.
Now tell me, because I believe who's the therapy with the anti-corruption something like that.
Team, yes, is there.
So it's different than
the anti-corruption team. It's a mixture of a lot of branches. Maybe the CID, maybe the CIO, maybe the social, prison services. And the become in other terms, it's a ferret team.
Oh.
They're being back briefer. And it's a good level than Panay.
Yes.
It's more direct.
Yes.
Then they carry out their duties by people.
Oh. Right. So, okay, what should we plan to get in 2002? Officer in charge, right?
I went to Kwanda.
Went to Kwanda?
In Kwanda, I was also in charge. I was manning almost about 1.5 people there in Kwanda.
Wow.
It was like, now when I was there, there wasn't Epen in rural, but now there's Epen in rural. But then it was only one police station.
Okay. So, police station was in Kwanda Central?
Yes. The traffic one, yes.
Alright.
But as I'm saying now, there are two.
Yeah.
Epen, it's all camp, but I say you camp.
Oh, okay. Alright. And then, alright. You're money about 1,200, like this was right?
Yes.
It's called Ustad. This is police or what?
Young police.
What are Bachelor of Education?
No, I did it later. Yeah, I did later some cheese police.
What year?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Diploma Adult Education.
Yeah, I sponsored police diploma.
Yeah, Adult Education.
Yes.
Then professional graduate diploma in risk and security management.
As I said,
Chartered Institute of Risk in 2020 manje.
Yes.
The certificate in data communication networking. Did you attend full-time use it or you?
Full-time.
Oh, okay. You're starting to an affiliate, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Density telecoms technician certificate.
Yeah.
Or what's the boys?
They are offered by the police as well. Like in all the PMR to set up a communication center for communication Samaposa. Yes.
Alright. Now, okay, what do you know about us?
Okay, I then intending to already call to attend an interview. I made my own research.
Yes.
Through one guy called Tabani Mube. He told me that actually he's my cousin.
Yes.
We just discussing it. I know I've been called to attend the interview, but next day
okay.
Oh, first day, but I know the clusters of about 20 people for the cluster, this and that. No.
Yeah.
It's a very, very beautiful place.
Yeah.
So we to share notes.
Okay.
On them, like an interest to understand behind that's all the name I know about you.
All right. So,
I mean, in Senzema applies security services as of now. I'm in charge of 2 provinces, that is Bulawayo and Matebele South.
Okay. Open the
okay, Marklight.
Marklight.
Yeah. Security services. This company is based in Harare, but it's owned by someone from Kenya.
Oh, okay. So you did this last year, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I'm in charge of guards at West Common Court there. There's a court which is in construction. A counterpart.
Okay.
There's one Ekezi court again.
Okay.
So all these people report to me.
Oh, right. And how many people report to you? Manga?
I've got 36.
36?
Yes.
So cutting like what my tools or something like the firearms, like armed response?
I don't know. Not here armed response, but they've got I've 90 they've got firearms.
Okay.
Yes. I'm talking of 23 rifles.
Okay. And the guys of who are the guys of Marklight Security Services?
The Judicial Service Commission.
Oh, how much are they?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
Those are the ones who are paying us. We're cutting court always come upon.
Oh, okay.
Right now we are speaking about 8 cars there. Good day. Then about around at night. Same applies to Council Park, which is under construction. Same applies to case as well.
Yeah. In this case, okay, so what's your package at the moment?
I'm getting 450.
450, right?
Yes.
And the white one,
Pardon?
why from here?
Obviously, for greener pastures and to get a lot of things about property, this and that. Yes.
But then you should Mount greener pastures, you should what must be like working environment or salary or amateurs who understand you doing a school man.
Okay. Lapens it's a security company.
Yeah.
It has got nothing to offer apart from security.
Except security.
Yes. Like like for example, at a chair next to they won't deny.
Yeah.
But there's no packages, there's nothing that I can give.
Yeah.
Even of course right now I've got a car that I'm using from them.
To
give me petrol and airtime, but
to
me that's not enough. As you can see in my CV there, I'm interested in writing books this and that. Because like in August this year I'm to start my degree in security in the English unit.
Yeah.
But now if you go deeper, they don't assist you in any way. Maybe here, like if you see how I operate. For example, I worked for a company called Africa Investments in Harare. Maybe it's on my CV there. This company was owned by a guy from United Arab Immigrants. I'm the one who started it from his grassroots until where it is right now. He's the one who supported me to do a lot of courses there. Of course, they later on broke because of political scenario in Zimbabwe. That's why I ended up leaving that company. Because they took cut ourselves to in this company. I created a company within a company.
Is it?
A security company.
Security division.
Yes, called Axis Security Company. It's still in existence right now.
Yeah.
I reached that company. I was part of the director. Was as an ex-police. They needed my input there. I acquired about 26 firearms for the company through CID headquarters. So I did input in that particular company. I didn't want to leave that company, to be honest with you. But now, as I'm saying, to the atmosphere, the political atmosphere, it wasn't conducive.
All right. Let me just tell you my worry now. Mina ngoba thina kuma sijikeleza ngithi
Yes.
asifuna ukuhambe lapho sikuthembisa into engekhoyo siyakhuluma iqiniso umuntu usungiqonda ngqo.
Yes.
Mamela mina iwari yami ndidlala ngawe
Yes.
kungathi usujikeleza amakhampani amaningi. And now I'm asking myself, if I hire this guy, how long is he gonna stay? You understand? But one of the dimension data 2024, right? TTI, they are parking,
Yes.
2021. Then web seal, what is 29 to 2019, 2020, 1 year again. Value I security, 2009, 2016, it's like 7 years, right? And then Africa investment, Harare, 2009 to 2010, right? I want to just yeah, I want to understand why we share companies.
Okay, I do understand your question.
Yeah.
All those companies who come out, they faulted almost all of them. Even the director was called him, was a soldier.
Yeah.
Left UK, the company, he wanted to sell the company, but he didn't have the money.
Yeah.
The company faulted.
Yeah.
All those companies that took them, they were faulted.
But you must be having a lot of bad luck. If only company is supposed to join us as soon as
the environment. Not same feeling. If I am the one who started it off on, I was able to Ikala, the employed means is local, but now the other partner was in UK. We always battle through his earnings there in UK, but the company wasn't making any fortune here. So the other guy was just that one he left UK, he left us. Then he was it was owned by TTI. If you know a guy called Gift Band.
Yeah.
He's the one.
When mayor
Yes, he's the one who's on TTI. And then subsequently he did website, one transfer on website. It's not that I left TTI, no. He transferred me to website. That right away Gardens is Gardens by Ascot Japan. And we actually Gardens properties. But now he didn't want to pay fees for my Uganda was being paid $100. So that's when we yeah. When you're cutting my property, what should I pay as a site? No one's paying me. God started giving us. Then we did nothing as a nation.
So, okay, if we start into like education, postgraduate, risk and security management. Yeah, certificate in data, everything. So, how are computer skills? Where do you range yourself in terms of computing? Like, are you a beginner, intermediate, or senior?
I'm intermediate.
Intermediate?
Yes, I'm not just senior, because I did a degree level.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you got the diploma in risk and security management. What exactly were you studying? Were you studying cyber security? Or?
I think I put my transcript there. Yeah, it must be there. When things that I did.
Yeah, but you can tell me so that you want to do
I did criminology as a subject.
You did what?
Criminology.
Oh, criminology, okay.
I did auditing as well.
Okay.
Yes, I did I think I did 6 components for the first second. Yes.
Okay. Why must I give you the job? Why must I employ you? Surely there must be something that you say that you know. Mean a unique idea compared to whoever you see before.
Okay.
And this is what I can offer. And whatever I give you this guarantee or whatever, so that it can be moved.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right. Uniqueness that I can put on table that I specialize in 3 fields.
Yeah.
I'm talking of education. Education is the best training class. I'm an efficient trainer. And I'm a transformational leader.
Yeah.
I lead by example. But I think you've seen there that there is also a firearm lesson. Yes, I do train people in firearms. I'm a trainer in actual fact. That's why you see me. I've never been a teacher. I did teaching once in South Africa, but actually I've never taught any lesson or any class types. Education, it assists me with security. Yes. Secondly, I've done IT. EIT, that certificate of University Schools of London, it will assist us in setting up a radio communication center, like a response center. That's where that thing comes from. Like I'm well conversant with communication, setting up a